weather message.
We got one.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 84.
We got one.
Until 11 p.m.
Severe thunderstorm
This
watch.
watch includes the following counties:
Yes.
Indiana, Ohio, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Washington, and Westmoreland.
Yes.
Counties in West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
Yes. Let's go.
Damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources
Yes.
for the latest severe weather information.
Yes. Let's go.
The forecast for Pittsburgh
Yes.
and surrounding counties.
SPR. Yes.
For
Sorry.
this afternoon, showers and thunderstorms
Sorry.
developing.
SVA.
Near steady temperature around 80. West winds around 10 miles an hour.
But one thing that I'd like to...
90%.
So, a couple things here. This guy went off, and this guy went off, but these two guys did not go off. I have no idea why. This guy did not go off. This one, I have no idea. This one did not go off, even though something must have happened, connection issue or whatever. This guy went off, and this guy went off. Whew, an SVA. And I'd like to show you something as well. So, let's go downstairs. So, we got an SVA, guys. Severe thunderstorm watch.
And he's doing that at home.
And I'd like to show you what it said here. See, it said here too. I got it just in time. I was upstairs, and yeah. So and then the hazardous weather outlook, it says right here. So some storms will be expected today. Some storms could be severe and some with large hail and damaging winds as the threat. Areas south of Interstate 80 will have the highest chance of weather occurrences, and we're yeah. So that's all. See you till the next alert. Peace.